Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to enter a vehicle in Project Zomboid. First, find a vehicle in the world. Cars usually spawn in driveways, parking lots, and near buildings. Once you've located one, walk up close to a door in that vehicle. When your character is in the right spot, you'll see the door highlighted in green. Next, press E on your keyboard while standing at that highlighted door. If the vehicle isn't locked, your character will open the door and enter the vehicle. The driver's seat is usually the first place you'll enter. If the car is locked, pressing E will just make your character jiggle the handle and fail. That means you need the car's key in your inventory, or the door must be opened first. Car keys usually spawn near the car on the ground, inside the glove box, in nearby buildings, or even on corpses. If the doors are locked and you don't have the key, you can break a window to get inside. Just right-click the window and choose to smash it. Once inside, you can start the engine if you have the key or hotwire the car to use it. And that's how you enter a vehicle in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.